Everything about the DPI610E has been designed based on a deep understanding of customer use cases and Druck's 50+ years of experience and expertise in the field of pressure measurement. The DPI610E boasts significant upgrades and improved functionality over its predecessors, incorporating all the best-loved features of the legacy DPI600 series into one efficient unit. The retention of the iconic handle, paired with a robust and reliable construction, makes the DPI610E the ideal pressure calibration solution for new and legacy users. You can see the vast improvements to the UI, wherein users can navigate the simplistic menus using the touchscreen or the buttons, with excellent visibility in both direct sunlight and in shaded areas. Battery health is visible on the screen when the device is switched on, and also on the indicator strip located on the side of the instrument when it is switched off. The pneumatic option comes with an internal barometer standard and accessible port for easy calibration. As a result, the DPI610E can accurately measure pseudo pressure with higher accuracy than the legacy DPI605. The DPI610E boasts a wider operating temperature range and an improved pressure range from -1 to 35 bar pneumatic and 0 to 1000 bar hydraulic. New improved features include a USB port for transferring data to and from your PC or for performing firmware upgrades, HART functionality as standard across all models, as well as data login and documenting capabilities. The DPI610E also fully integrates with our Foresight 2 calibration management software to create an automatic calibration solution. To find out more about our documenting features, watch our Foresight 2 remote documenting video.